This is a 2022 Duramax, and I have customers that have, don't quote me on this, but I want to say on the 21, just 1 year older than this, you had to go through the wheel well to get to the fuel filter. I know the 2019s you had to, but on this 2022, so there's the filter housing. There's a little O-ring on the draw tube that I've already replaced. Here's the new filter already in. Here's the old filter. And I re-O-ringed the cap. And yeah, you go back up in. Pretty straightforward. I put a little bit of diesel on the O-ring too, lubed it up. And this right here is a 36 millimeter. So, doing this one-handed. But I'm gonna put the camera down so I can tighten that up. All right, so that you can see where the orientation of the fuel filter is under the truck. There's the rear wheel, here's the gas tank. And right in front of the gas tank, that's the filter housing right there. So I've already tightened it up. And I'm gonna show you how to prime it now before you start it. Okay, and here is the GM part number for the filter. So you can get that. All right, so this one has the annoying push button. You don't have a key. And this is kind of important. Do not put your foot on the brake to prime the fuel, because if you do, the engine's gonna crank and it's gonna fill the whole system with air, and it's gonna be harder than heck to start it after that. So all you wanna do is, and I can hear it cycling. You're not gonna be able to hear it in the video. But you just want to you push it twice so it turns it to the on position. And I'm going to do this like 4 or 5 times to make sure that all of the air is out. The lift pump has filled the filter cavity all the way. And once you're sure that you're done priming, I'd say 5 times is probably the minimum. Then you can put your foot on the brake and start the truck. All right, now I'm going to put my foot on the brake, and now let's see if she starts. Took it a second, but it did it. A little longer crank than normal, but no big deal. So there you go. Check for leaks, and we're done.